Magic English YouTube channel presents.
Happy Friendship Day 2022. Friendship Day is celebrated on Sunday, August 7, 2022.
You are everything that a true friend can be. You are the most precious gift from God. I wish that we remain best friends for the rest of our life. Wishing you a very happy Friendship Day.
There's not a word yet for old friends who've just met.
A single rose can be my garden. A single friend, my world. Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Each friend represents a world in us, a world possibly not born until they arrive, and it is only by this meeting that a new world is born.